Hello, I'm Chuck Hutton, Senior Project Manager at the Pritzker Military Archive and Memorial Park Center. Over the past few months, we have primarily focused on the interior of the Archives building. All interior framing for the rooms are complete. MEP rough-in continues throughout the building, and the switchgear has been fully installed. A significant amount of the drywall has been installed and finished. Painting of the structural steel has wrapped up and shifted to the interior spaces. In the archive space, we continue to work on the embedded rail system for high-density storage that allows the shelving to move. We have started the floor preparation process in anticipation for the flooring installation next month. Work continues on the service elevator in the building. The lab snorkel has been installed in the book restoration room to protect occupants from dangerous fumes that come from chemicals used to preserve and restore certain materials. The exterior foundations have been installed for the 2 revolving doors. The final pieces of exterior glass are on site and will be installed soon. The highway road widening has started and will accommodate a deceleration lane and turn lane into the development. All roadwork will be completed by the time we post this video. In our next video, we will be bringing you the details of the extensive planning that went into the landscape design of the Memorial Park. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.